Hello everyone. So I'm talking to you while I'm driving today. I'm actually working right now. But the thought came in my head, so I thought I'd make a video about it. So in English, there is a saying that says, if you build it, they will come. And that's pretty simplistic in its meaning. It means basically that if you build something, say a mall or a store or whatever, the odds are that somebody will show up to that thing, whatever it may be. Is that necessarily always the case? No. I mean, not in an absolute sense. Of course, you could, in theory, build something and nobody would show up. But, people like to go look at really stupid things. I mean, you could build, the biggest poop sculpture in the world and somebody would probably most likely show up to go look at it, okay? But now my question is, does that also apply that, if you build it, they'll come to YouTube videos? That is, if you make YouTube videos or enough YouTube videos, will people, show up to watch those videos? And, my first thought was, well, you gotta think that there's hundreds of millions, if not billions, of videos on YouTube. And so, my one little video is like the ultimate needle in a haystack, I mean, very, very hard to find, you would think, right? However, I was thinking further. It's like, okay, yeah, there's hundreds of millions or, billions of videos on YouTube, and, so mine is kind of lost in the sea. My video is kind of like, a drop in the ocean. But there's also hundreds of millions, if not billions, of people on YouTube every day looking up videos. And so the odds kind of even out. Even though there's so many videos on YouTube, since there's also so many people watching YouTube, looking for YouTube videos, etc., I think the odds are pretty good that if you do make a video, especially if you make, multiple videos, maybe, tens or hundreds of videos, I think the odds are pretty good that at least somebody, if not a lot of people, watched them. Now, how many? That's kind of my experiment, what I'm doing. Say I do videos for a year, I do one every day, so 365 videos. How many people are going to be watching my videos at the end of that year period? Is it still going to only be like one or two as it is right now, maybe 5 or 6, Or is my viewing going to grow, say 100 views per video or 1,000 or, whatever else? That's the real question. And I guess we'll all just find out.